In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform takeoffs with blueprints in CostMiner. This process is essential for anyone involved in construction estimation or project planning, as it allows you to accurately measure and calculate the materials and costs associated with your project. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to CostMiner, the construction estimating and takeoff software. Once you're on the CostMiner homepage, go ahead and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account. If this is your first time, make sure you've registered and have all the necessary access rights to proceed. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which displays an array of projects you're currently managing. Click on the specific project you'd like to work on. This will take you to the project's main page, where you can manage various aspects of your construction plans. Next, look for the blueprint or the specific plan associated with your project. Click on it to bring it into view. Having your plans clearly displayed is crucial for the next steps in the takeoff process. For our example today, let's say we want to measure the bedroom wall to determine how much paint we need. To do this, use the length tracer tool available within CostMiner. Carefully trace the length of the wall you're interested in. This tool enables precise measurements, which are vital for accurate cost calculations. Once you've traced the wall, click on the endpoint of your tracing. It's important to confirm your traced line, and you do this by pressing Enter, which will add it to your set of measurements. You'll notice that the measurement has been recorded and can be viewed on the bottom section of your screen. This area serves as a log for all the measurements you've taken, ensuring you keep track of everything. Now, if during your takeoff you encounter elements like windows that need to be subtracted from your total wall length, you'll need to repeat the tracing process specifically for the window. Trace the length of the window in the same manner as before. After you've traced the window, click on its endpoint. You'll need to adjust the settings to subtract this measurement from your total wall length. Look for the plus-minus column in your measurements section. Click it and change it to a minus. This automatically recalculates your measurements, subtracting the window length from the total wall length. By following these steps, you've successfully completed a takeoff using blueprints in CostMiner. This process ensures your project estimates are as accurate as possible, saving both time and resources. Thank you for watching, and make sure to explore other features in CostMiner to further enhance your project management skills.